Guys, I hope all of you are doing well. In my previous videos, I have said that Ideogram AI is one of the fastest AI image generation tool. And the thing is that there's a lot of cutthroat competition in AI image generation, and these AI image generating programs, they are leveling up. But so far, I found Ideogram to be one of the best, but it seriously has a competitor. So in the past 1 month, I've been trying out Leonardo AI, and the speed it has is jaw-dropping, and especially on a flow mode. I'll show you all of that. So in Leonardo.ai, once you go over there, here you have flow state. Just click on try flow state and it's gonna charge you 1 token per image. Before this, for a month or two, it was sort of like free, so I used it to maximum and I took a lot of benefit from it. So we'll go to the flow state, and I also have Ideogram open. Now I'll tell you that I'm using the premium version of both of these. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how fast both of them are. So I have these 5 random prompts, so I'll go with this one. This seems like more interesting. A medieval knight in shining armor standing in a misty forest holding a glowing sword. Now I'll take this, I'll put it in Leonardo AI, and I'll do the same for Ideogram as well. First I'll go with Ideogram, so we have an idea what the previous fastest AI image generator looked like. So 10%, okay, 25, 39, a bit slow, but anyways, it's on the fast mode. So we have 84, and finally 98. Okay, we are also going to be seeing the quality of this. So here we have the generations. So these are the ones it made, Leonardo AI. Okay, the generations are good. This seems quite realistic, and well, I think this is the only image that has the essence of what I actually prompted. So, and it also took some 15 seconds or so. Now I'll go to Leonardo AI. I'm not even using the normal mode, I'm using the flow state. Normal mode is the classic mode, and if you go to the flow state, what it does is it gives endless image options. You can select anything. Let me just show you. So I'll put the same prompt here and see how long it's gonna take. See, it's in front of you, and the thing is that it's generating endless images. I could just keep on going down, and well, here it is. But another thing you need to note here is that it's taking 1 token per image. So right now I have 11,181. I'll go down below. I scroll 2-3 rows, and now let's see how much. Oh, so it's 1,167 now. But the thing is, when it was free, it was way too good. Even right now, this is good. You see all these images being generated at a super fast rate. That's why I think that Leonardo AI is one of the best right now. And if you see the image quality, it's good. You have a lot of variations. You see, this one looks fine, but it has another type of vibe. So let me just show you this one. For example, let's click on this one. I say more like this. I want to see more images along the tone of what it already generated. So we go to layer 2 over here. You see it's generating with the vibe of hard light in motion. So that's how it is. So right now Leonardo AI is one of the fastest, and well, I think in the comments we have one of the best conversations. So if you know anything better than Leonardo AI or anything faster than Leonardo AI, do let me know down in the comments. Now we know that Ideogram AI isn't gonna keep up with the pace of Leonardo AI when it comes to image generation. So I'll just go to Leonardo AI and I'll copy these other remaining prompts. So I'll put it there and I'll show you. So a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and neon lights reflecting on glass skyscrapers. So let me just put it over here, and in a few seconds I'll have the generations ready. You see, interesting. This is the quality of the generations. Flying cars. Okay, all of this seems good. Sometimes the image might not have the essence of the prompt, but it's all about testing and trying. But in that part, Ideogram AI does comparatively really well. A surreal underwater scene with the floating islands, glowing jellyfish, and sunken pirate ships. This one seems interesting. These are not sunken. This one also, this is also not sunk properly. I think this one was pretty good. Now I'll go over to this one, a cozy cabin in the snowy mountains with smoke coming from chimney and northern lights in the sky. This looks pretty interesting. Let's see what Leonardo AI generates for us. So here we have it. See how cozy. This is pretty good. This one also looks good. This one seems so realistic if you see. And now I'll take the last, a steampunk inspired robot playing chess with the human Victorian style room, in a Victorian style room. Okay, let's put the prompt over here. Let's click on generate, and you see these credits have reduced. So here we have it. So from my previous prompt, this was selected hard light and in motion, so I'll remove that one so we can have a lot more variety of AI images. So let's see. So we even have this cartoon style. I think it's Pixar style if you see over here. So there you have it. Leonardo AI right now is really good. I'll show you the plans it has, and we'll go over to premium plans right now. So you see I'm on the apprentice, then we have the artisan unlimited, maestro unlimited for 60, the center one is for 30 per month. If we pay monthly, okay, if we do yearly we save 20%. So right now I have 8,500 fast tokens, but if I move on to the 30 per month, it gives me 25,000 fast generations, which is way too generous for the price. And well, there's a lot of unlimited stuff as well. Unlimited stuff comes with this one as well. If you want to try it out, you can try the apprentice one as well. So this is all about Leonardo AI. It's really good. I'm quite excited about Leonardo AI, and I had to share it with you. It's gonna save you time. And if you like this sort of content where I keep telling you about the latest things in AI and also the important stuff and how you can use AI to get maximum benefit, so do follow the channel. I'm gonna put a lot of more interesting stuff. I already have a lot as well. So right now on your screen you will be seeing 2 videos that might be of interest to you. So I'll see you in any one of those. Stay blessed.